What was the other thing you're replacing?
Coolant flange.
Coolant flange.
It's prone to leaking.
Flange is known to leak?
This little particular one here.
You got T30?
Yep, 4 T30s, take the throttle body off.
4 T30s for the throttle body.
Right here.
Oh, I see it. That's what we're replacing. That guy right there. Putting some hose crimpers on. Anything else you would check while you're in there?
Not much else in there.
Setting up for the vacuum test.
We're going to try to mitigate some of the coolant loss by putting this on first. Soak a lot of it in.
Yeah. So we're pulling a vacuum on it so we don't lose as much coolant. What size?
T30.
T30. All crusty and nasty. Wiping her off, cleaning it up.
No, this does not come with the seal. So if you order this flange, make sure you order the seal.
That's crazy.
Bullshit.
What newtons?
8.
8 newtons. Putting the hose back on. Pulling up. Installing the throttle body. It's a lot coarser screw than I would expect.
It's going into plastic. It's just going into just raw plastic.
True. 4 T30.
Not too tight.
Strip it.
No, you don't want to bind the throttle body. You don't want to bind the plate, like cock it.
What are you plugging back in?
Evap line, throttle body loop. I should keep that off for a second. Give yourself some room.
Installing the cover. That's it.